Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Every one of us, living entities, we are all individual persons. And Krishna is also individual person. This is knowledge. Nitya nityanam chetana chetananam eko jo bahunam vidadati kaman. Krishna or God, he is also nitya, eternal. We are also nitya, eternal. Na hannate hannamane sarire. We do not die. That is the preliminary knowledge of spiritual understanding, that I am not this body. I am spirit soul. Aham Brahmasmi. But I am individual. Nitya Nityana. Krishna is individual person, I am also individual person. When Krishna says that Sarvadharman Parityajya mamekang saranam braja, it does not mean that I become one with Krishna or merge into the existence of Krishna. I keep my individuality. Krishna keeps his individuality. But I agree to abide by his order. Therefore Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna that I have spoken to you everything. Now what is your decision? Individual. It is not that Krishna is forcing Arjuna. Jathechasi tatha kuru. Now whatever you like and do, that is individuality. This is the ultimate knowledge, that this Mahabharata philosophy, that to become one, merge into the existence. Merge into the existence means we merge into the order of Krishna. Our individuality at the present moment is Maya, because we are planning so many things. Therefore, your individuality and my individuality clashes. But when there will no more clashing, we shall agree. Central point is Krishna. That is oneness. Not that we lose our individuality. So, as it is stated in all Vedic literature and spoken by Krishna, we are all individual. All individual, Swayam Bhagavan Ekale Ishwar. The difference is that he is the supreme ruler, Ishwar. Ishwar means ruler. Actually he is ruler. And we are also ruler, but we are subordinate ruler. Therefore he is Ekale Ishwar, one ruler. Ishwara Parama Krishna. In the Brahma Sankhya. Ekale Ishwar. Ishwar cannot be many. That is not Ishwar. The Mahabharata philosophy is that everyone is God. That is not very right conclusion. That is rascaldom. Krishna says, Mudha. Namang prapadante Mudha. One who does not submit to the Supreme Ishvara, the Supreme Lord. You should know it perfectly well, that here is a Mudha, rascal. Because it is not that everyone we can become Ishvara. That is not possible. There is no meaning of Ishvara. Ishvara means the ruler. Suppose we are in a group. This is our international society. If everyone becomes ruler or acharya, then how it can be managed? No. There must be some head. That is the principle in our practical life. We follow our political leaders. We cannot say that I belong to this party unless I follow a leader. That is natural. So, that is the Vedic statement. Nitya nityanam chetanas chetananam. There must be one leader. The leader of the same quality. Nitya. I am Nitya, Krishna is Nitya. Krishna is also living entity. I am also living entity. Nitya nityanam chetanas chetananam. So, what is the difference between Krishna and me? The difference is that there are two nityas, or two chetanas. One is described as singular number and the other is described as plural number. Nitya, nityanam. This nityanam is plural number and nitya is singular number. So, God is nitya, one, singular number. And we are being ruled, we are plural number. This is the difference. And how he is ruling the plural number? Because ekoja bahunam vidadhati kaman, he is supplying all the necessities of life, of all this plural number. Therefore he is Ishvara, he is Krishna, he is God, one who provides all the necessities of life. He is Ishvara, he is Krishna, he is God. We can very well understand that we are being maintained by Krishna and why we should not be ruled by him. This is a fact. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,